Assalamu alaikum grade 2 and welcome to your computing class. I'm your ma'am Umama. In today's class we will be discussing further things related to internet because this topic is new for you. You are not very much familiar with things related to internet. You are not familiar with web pages, websites, how we can search for something, how we can download some things, right? But in today's class we will be doing a little work more on internet, what is web page, how we can search for something, and what are the different icons which are on the web page, how you can identify that or how you can function on that, right? So let's start with watching a small video that is related to internet. Is my screen
Internet.
visible? Okay.
Hmm, computers before and after the internet. Before the internet, I used to use the computer for my office. All my documents and everything was inside the computer. I could do calculations, data entry, research, and a lot of my documents and problems were solved by the computer. And that's where I used to use computer in my office without the internet. And then came the internet with so many facilities: financial connectivity, entertainment, and work. Entertainment for sure for the children. You could play games and watch videos on it. Doctors can do research and put up their data, and the policemen as well. Get a check on the criminals. I can order food from the internet. Haha, yummy food. And I can also study online with my friends on the internet. Oh, I can shop on the internet. And I can play games on the internet as well. So many.
Okay, so you have seen for the different functions that internet is playing, right? And we discussed it in yesterday class as well, that the life before internet was much more different from the life with internet, right? Internet is giving us a lot of facilities, or we can say that a computer is not as much helpful or as much useful for us if it is without internet. So basically internet supports computer to perform different types of function, and because this is online, now we have switched to online mode of everything. We are doing online work, we are doing online learning, online education, online offices, right? Everything is online now. So because of that, internet is playing very important role, right? But we should know how to use that. So I'm sharing the screen again with you, and there I have opened a new web page, a new page for you, and through that I'll let you know that how you can search something on it. Okay, can you see my screen? Now this is the browser that I'm using is Google Chrome, and here I have opened a new tab for you, and you can see that a lot of things are written over there. Well, on this side, if you see, let's search for something, and then I'll let you explain. Okay, let's search for the topic which is parts of computer. Here on the search bar I write something that are parts of computer and I search for it. Now this a new web page or a new tab has been opened for me. On this tab, whatever I have searched for, I searched for parts of computer, so the parts of computer are in front of me. First there are, look at all of these things. On the first it says all. Whenever you will click on this or whenever you will search for something, this will automatically open. It shows you everything. By all, it means that it gives you images as well, it gives you videos as well, documents as well, in every form. If you will click only on images, it will show you all of the images related to this topic. Okay, now if you click on books, it will show you the types of books which are related to the parts of computer. If you click on videos, there would be all of the videos which are related to parts of computer will be visible to you. Then in news and more, you will find other things. Okay, now the thing which is important for you is whenever you will search, this all will automatically open. Now if you simply want to look for the images, you can go in this option and then you will have different images for that. Okay, beside this, which is important for you to learn over there, is there are two arrows that you can see on the very left top corner. This arrow, if you will click on this arrow, the left one, you will turn to the back page. Okay, this will make you to the back page. And similarly, if you will click on the right arrow, it will take you forward to the next page. Okay, so these are the two arrows that you should learn about, that how you can use that. Similarly, on this, through this, let's say if your internet has gone or something has went wrong, so through this, by clicking on this, you can refresh your page. Or let's say something is not loading, there is some load on the internet. If you will click on this, as you can see that whenever when I have put my cursor on this, that's the statement which is written over there, is reload this page. So whenever you will click on this, it will refresh the page automatically for you. Okay, now these are some of the functions or some of the things which you should know about the browser. And when we will move forward, definitely we will learn about other things as well, and I'll explain you other topics as well. But for today, what you have learned, the two arrows, the arrow which is on left side will take you to the backward page, and the arrow which is on right side will take you to the forward page. Similarly, the arrow which is in turn form, right, in a circular form, it refreshes or reload the page. Similarly, on the search engine, whatever you will type, whatever you will search, show you the answers for that, and it would display you in every form. You must know about two things. In all option, it shows you everything, and then the second one is images. If you click on that, there are a lot of images. Got it? Now, the topic that we have covered today is from your book, page number 22 and 23. We have talk about how to use a search engine. I have showed it to you. You can use any browser. I used Google for that. In your book, the browser which is Kindle, right? You must be using anything else as well. And we have already talked about the two arrows as well. This arrow takes you to the backward, and this takes you the forward, right? Now there is the small activity for you, the home assignment for you, which you are supposed to do. That you are supposed to open a search engine. Then what kind of food you are supposed to search for, the type of a restaurant that you like. Let's say you like McDonald's. Let's say you like Banal. So you search for that, and then search for what kind of food it's served at that type of restaurant. Does it serve delicious salads? Can you buy sweets and cakes? Can you buy warming soup? The activity is already given on your book, page number 23, and this is the home assignment for you. You are supposed to do this activity at your home. And in tomorrow's class, inshallah, before taking the assignments or before doing some practical work, I'll be asking you all of these things. So you should do this activity at your home. Okay, before ending the class, do this practice by yourself, whatever we have practiced in today's class. Open your search engines, write anything, whatever you want to search for. Let's say parts of computer, let's say input and output devices, roles of computer, what is computer, what is electricity, everything, whatever you want to search for that, and look for the functions that I have already told you, and let me know if you can do that with the arrows, with the all and images option. Hurry up, open the search engine, do write whatever you want to. Hurry up. Yes, is it working? Are you able to look for that? Excellent. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do revise or practice whatever we have done in today's class, and inshallah, in tomorrow's class, we will be practicing something more. Do good and have good. Share this video with others because it's free learning. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.